You got to get every 50-50 ball. You got to get every loose ball. You got to get every rebound. All right? That's going to be the winner of this game. You got a shot fake down there.
We're not through attacking. We're not through. Hey, we're not through, okay?
Hey, let's finish it. Hey, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Well, when we're playing defense and we're active like that on the defensive end, I'm comfortable with them on the offensive end because that's the type of team we are. You know, I'm always concerned about hitting shots and getting so comfortable on the offensive end where we come back and we don't defend as well. So I was really happy to see us start on the defensive end. And eventually I knew we'd hit some shots, and I thought when they made a run, Dylan and Austin hit 2 big threes, and I thought that was the dagger.
And, you know, these guys, they laid it on the line the second half. I mean, I couldn't ask for any guys to play more harder than what they did, and we just fell a little short. I mean, sometimes when you dig yourselves that hole, you expend so much energy coming back that, you know, it's you don't have a lot left in the tank there at the end.